Good morning, students. Look at the beautiful sky. All that you see in the sky is just a part of the universe. There are many stars, planets, and satellites in the universe. The sun is also a star. It has its own heat and light. It is the star nearest to the earth. The sun, the 8 planets, along with their satellites, which revolve around the sun, together constitute the solar system. The 8 planets of the solar system, in their increasing order of distance from the sun, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The first planet of the solar system is Mercury. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. The second planet is Venus. It is the hottest and brightest of all the planets. As it can be seen in the morning and evening, it is called as the morning star or the evening star. The third planet is our Earth. Nearly 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, due to which the Earth is also called the blue planet. It is the only planet where life exists. Now let's move on to the next planet. It is Mars. It is also known as red planet because of the presence of red soil and rocks. It has 2 moons. The fifth planet is Jupiter. It is the largest planet of the solar system. The sixth planet is Saturn, which is the second largest planet in the solar system. It has beautiful rings around it that are made up of ice and dust. Now, the seventh planet is Uranus. A thick layer of gas covers the planet. The eighth planet is Neptune. As this planet is farthest from the sun, cold winds blow here at very high speeds. Pluto, the dwarf planet. Earlier, Pluto was considered to be the part of the solar system, but now it is put in the category of dwarf planet. Now, the next topic is constellation. What is constellation? If you look at the night sky, you can recognize some group of stars forming a specific pattern, and the pattern is fixed. Constellation is a group of stars which forms the definite pattern in the night sky. Some constellations were named after animals and some mythological characters. The names of some constellations are Ursa Major, the Great Bear; Ursa Minor, the Little Bear; Orion, the Hunter; Aries, the Ram; Pisces, the Fishes, etc. Students, as everyone knows that we all live on the planet Earth, but do you know what is inside the Earth? Today we will study about the layers of the Earth. In the beginning, the Earth was just a huge ball of dust and hot gases. As it kept spinning, the gases slowly cooled down and the surface of the Earth became cold and hard. We live on the outer surface of the Earth. This outer surface is called the crust. The Earth is very hot inside. Below the crust is the layer called mantle, which is made up of very hot molten rock. In the center of the earth is the layer called core. It is the hottest part of the earth. It consists of molten metals. The earth is always on the move. There are two types of movements of the earth: rotation and revolution. The earth spins on its axis. This movement of the earth is called rotation. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Rotation of the earth causes days and nights. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. Revolution of the earth causes seasons. Satellite. A satellite is an object in space which orbit around a planet. The way planets orbit around the sun, satellites orbit around the planets. Satellites are of two types: natural satellites and artificial satellites. As we all know, Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Artificial satellites are the man-made satellites which are sent to orbit around the Earth. Some of the examples are Sputnik 1, Aryabhat, Rohini, INSAT 1B. Sputnik 1 was the first man-made satellite which was sent into the space by Russia on October 4, 1957. Aryabhat, Rohini and INSAT 1B are some of the satellites that have been sent into space by India. Dear students, I hope you understood the whole chapter thoroughly. Now stay safe and take care.